Offering to Grayson Griner, swings, tags it deep in the air, right side, toward the line. Ogren going back to the track, sticks the glove up, can't come up with it. It short hops the wall in front of the 325 sign. Coming in easily from third is Pancake. Grayson Griner has the RBI double, and South Carolina takes a 4-0 lead. The dirt kicks to the left of the catcher, Mayer. On to third, goes right with a head-first slide as it is in safely. 2-0. Got on, high fly, right field. Again, the wind is going to ride this out towards the track. Ogren at the track, at the wall, and it's out